Hey, I am back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys pretty much my self-care routine. I wanted to just pretty much give my skincare routine because I get asked that a lot, but then I decided to just give the whole thing. So that goes into like pretty much, I guess, my daily routine, like with my teeth and my skin and like me, just myself. Let's just get right into it. First thing I'm going to be telling you guys, or basically showing you guys, is my skin routine. When I start off, I usually start with these two scrubs. So both of them are mask and scrub duos. So that means that they're just a scrub and mask in one. This is the Freeman Feeling Beautiful Polishing Charcoal Black Sugar Gel Mask and Scrub. Both of these products I've been using since my freshman year of high school, so I can say that they work. This isn't something that I've used for like a couple months. I've been using this for almost 4 years, so it's been a while. Naturally, I really do have clear skin though, but you know, everybody has their small imperfections, so this has definitely helped me a lot. I love this, and it also says right here that it is for all skin types, so anybody can use this. The next product is the Freeman Feeling Beautiful Cleansing Apple Cider Vinegar Clay Mask and Scrub. This one smells so good. I love the way this one smells. It's supposed to tone, purify, and mattify the skin for a flawless complexion. These two are just products that I've been using for so long, and I love them, and I know that they work because I've used them for so long. The way I like to use these two products is I mix them together on the back of my palm and I put it onto my face as usual, but this is before I go into the shower. So I leave the mask on for the entire duration of me being in the shower, and towards the end then I take it off. Once that's done, I put on Witch Hazel. This is the Humphreys alcohol-free citrus witch hazel. It's a facial toner, and I've been using this probably for almost 2 years, and I personally really like it. I don't know if this is even sold in stores, this version, anymore, because I went to the store the other day to find a new bottle because I was running out and I couldn't find it. It's under a new name, but I don't know if it has citrus in it, but that's honestly besides the point. I love witch hazel because I tend to get oily in this portion of my face, so it really does help tone out my skin and control the oil. I think I have more of a mixed skin where sometimes it'll be really dry, and then sometimes it'll just be perfect, nothing goes on, and then other times it'll just be oily. So it really depends, honestly. I also like to use this when I mix it with my moisturizer, whichever moisturizer I use. This is the, I don't know how to pronounce this. I think it's Shiseido, I don't know. I'm not even gonna pronounce it. It's a wrinkle resist 24 balancing softener and lotion adduce. Just read it. I don't know what it says. I love the way it feels on my skin when I mix it with the moisturizer. So I think this is good. I don't think this is vital to like my skin routine. I just personally just really like it, but I don't think it's a necessity. My next product I'm gonna be showing you guys is the Mario Badou spray. This is the aloe, chamomile, and lavender spray. I've been using this for 2 years. Not this specific scent, but the product in general, and this is my favorite scent. I put this on before I put on my moisturizer, and I also put it on sometimes just to give my face a glowing look, but it doesn't look like I'm oily. It just leaves like a little bit of glow, and it's also good for a setting spray. It's never broken me out. I've never had a bad reaction from any of the scents. I think there's 4 scents, and it's orange, rose, lavender, and I believe green is mint. And out of all of them, my favorite is lavender. And then I also like the orange one, but lavender is top tier because of the way it smells. When it comes to moisturizers, I'm not really specific. This is a new one that I've been using. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. So it's just a 24-hour moisturizer. I find it very good because it specializes in dry skin, and my skin has been giving me like some dry spots lately, so I just got it because of that. This is the packaging for it. I got the mini one because I just wanted to try it out. It looks like this, and like I said, I find it pretty well. It's for deep hydration, to really hydrate your skin. I also like a cleanser they have from here. I think it's their almond cleanser. It smells bad. I'm gonna be honest, it stinks, but I thought it was very good. Next thing that I'm going to be getting into are teeth. Now, you're probably like, girl, teeth? What are you talking about? Like, you just gotta brush your teeth. No. I love the shape of my teeth. I have very straight teeth naturally. None of my teeth are crooked. I don't have any gaps. So I always thought to myself, I was like, what is it that I need to change? And I started getting into Crest white strips. Crest white strips, they, for me, gave me great results. I'll add some pictures here so you guys could understand why I love them so much. You have to be very careful when you use these, because if you leave them on for too long, your teeth will hurt so bad. So you need to be very careful. I wouldn't recommend brushing your teeth right before, because you're gonna feel a lot of sensitivity. You can also not eat while you have them on. You could drink water, but very slow sips. But regardless of that, I've had amazing results. I've been using Crest white strips for about 3 years now, since 2017. And before, when I first started getting into them, I would use them a lot more frequently than I do now, because I wanted to get them whiter. But now that I have the desired color, I just do touch-ups basically when I really need it. So once, I think it was about a year ago, I slept with them on by accident. My teeth were gorgeous though. My teeth were very white, but they hurt so bad. So that's what I'm saying, just be careful. You're probably not going to sleep with them like I did, but I mean, my teeth were white for like months, like bright white for months. So I don't know. I would really recommend getting into this, because for me it's worked, and I think the results of mine have been pretty good. On top of the Crest white strips, you need to maintain them, I guess the color, with the Crest white strips. You need to maintain the color with the toothpaste. I would say to make sure that you use the toothpaste or you use the mouthwash, because you know, regular toothpaste is not necessarily whitening. So I would say just to have them both, especially when you first start, because in the beginning you're really not going to see that much of a difference. Like, the next part of my whole self-care process and routine is really based on like my skin and the way that I carry myself and the way that I smell. What I like to do a lot is exfoliate. I feel like everybody should exfoliate, honestly, because hello, like, come on. But to exfoliate, I like to use body scrubs. I'm a Bath and Body Works addict. Like, I have an obsession with Bath and Body Works. The one thing that they have that is really good is body scrubs. I have the Japanese cherry blossom one. I don't have it on hand because it's in the shower and I don't really feel like taking it out of the shower. They're good to use before you shave or just while you're in the shower to get the dead skin off. Like I said, it is really important to exfoliate, so if you don't, I would say to do it. That's not even something I recommend, just do it. Like, you should be exfoliating every day, or at least not every day, but a couple times a week. You know, you have a lot of dead skin, you don't want that. Also, exfoliate your face with an exfoliator. I didn't say that with my skin part, I forgot to add, but I really like to have smooth skin and to smell good. So with my whole self-care process, that is very important to me, that I put on my lotion every day and that I spray something. I'm just gonna show you guys some examples of stuff I use to smell good. So I just got this a couple days ago. I usually like to get the matching lotions with the scents because I like to have the duos. So this is Fiji and it is Sunshine Guavatini scented. I'm just gonna put you guys on to some of my favorite scents so you guys can smell good too, because I'm just sharing my thoughts and stuff that I know. This is the Champagne Toast scent. This smells so good. It's like kind of a grapefruit flavor and I adore this. It's one of my favorites. Another thing from Bath & Body Works I really like is their whole aromatherapy line. This is the Sleep Lavender and Cedarwood body cream. Addition to this process is this Coco Chill Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. I love to put this on before I put on my lotion, or I mix it with my lotion when I get out the shower. This is from Pink. I've been using this since January and the way that it leaves my skin is just amazing. I think it's like $10 or $12 and I feel like it's completely worth it. I don't really know so much about the calming thing. Like, it says that it's a calming oil. I've never really paid attention to that. Thank you guys so much for watching my self-care routine and watching this entire video. Make sure that you subscribe, you drop a like, drop a comment, and turn on post notifications. Also, make sure to follow my Instagram at Brittany Gabrielle, as well as my business Instagram at Glammed Up by G. Thank you guys again. Stay tuned for my next video. If you have any ideas, drop them below and stay tuned. Also, remember to shop at glamedupbygabrielle.com or click the link that will be in the description. Bye!